pretty.
Wait for it. Let's keep walking.
We're on a treasure hunt.
I don't know if you'd call it treasure exactly. We're on the search for
The big pipes.
Yes. So you may have noticed in a few of our vlogs in the background when we're vlogging in the backyard, there's this constant bagpipe drone. So we wanted to show you that we're not crazy, and there's this band that just practices in the field behind Lou's parents' house, and all we ever hear is bagpipes and drums.
Here's hoping we actually find them.
This is what we do for excitement. By the way, Lou is, I'm off till Tuesday! Yes, do your vacation dance.
That was it. Oh.
There you go. Oh, freaking mosquitoes everywhere.
Yeah, they're really bad out here.
Lou's off for a week. We're going camping for a couple days with my family.
There they are. I think straight. Go with straight, honey.
Alright, straight.
We're going camping.
Yeah, we're going camping with my family for a couple days, and I think we're gonna stay in a hotel one of those nights. Not while we're camping, obviously, separately, but we're gonna do a bunch of fun stuff while Lou is off because she's been working hard, and
Crap, they're getting closer.
I think we're getting closer, dude.
Oh. Oh, I was saying, not to be mean at all, but like, I'm on vacation, and I'm going camping with Ralph's family. It's such a vacation.
It'll be so much fun.
I'm just kidding, I love camping.
Ah!
Are you picking your butt?
No, freaking mosquitoes everywhere.
In your butt?
Yes, I said everywhere.
Really pretty. I sound just like them.
They're over there.
Right? Want to head back that way?
Hey! What's with the hands?
That's what the big drums are doing. Every like gap they can see me, so I feel like I may be insulting them.
That's okay.
If you play the bagpipes, I'm not offending you. I mean, I may be, but
It
I'm
is
trying
the most,
not to.
It is the most horrifying instrument that has ever existed.
But
Let's be honest.
we've never played it, so maybe it's really complicated.
Yeah. That was to the beat. In other exciting news, Lou got a new phone and is no longer using this.
Piece of actual garbage from Russia. Just kidding, I'm sure it's really great.
You've used it for like a couple years. It gave you a phone and my dad lent it to you.
It gave you a
It
phone?
My brain is shutting down at the end of the day.
It was a legitimate phone for 2 years, and I'm thankful.
Your phone. Lou has, you're welcome, a nice new iPhone.
Thank you, honey.
No problem.
I urge you, if you have a smartphone, just try to not have a smartphone and use T9 for 2 years.
Boom. You're a trooper. So anyway, my dad lent her this for a couple years, and it's legitimately it's like
Ew.
a world phone, and sometimes it just stuff's in Russian. I thought, you know what? It's time to get her an iPhone. You guys are annoying.
Just film. Can you zoom in?
I don't know if I can get all the way in.
That's what she said. Yeah, there they are.
In all their pixelated glory.
See? They've got the white balls. Oh, we got some foot stompers in the crowd.
How can you not foot stomp to that?
I can easily not.
So what I was going to say was, because Lou has a new phone, you guys can expect, I'm sure, some Snapchat action.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Because Lou's all about that Snapchat.
24/7!
Now she won't be stealing my phone all the time. Gosh. Scottish Thistle. It's so appropriate.
And you're Scottish.
There's so much Scottish here. It's
Scotch?
overwhelming Scottish.
Scotch?
No, not Scotch. I wish.
This one's pretty. Look at this one! That's a pretty one.
Focus. Come on. There it is.
Isn't that nice?
It's great. Yeah.